here I have some white rice, and basically every cup of rice you want 2 cups of water. All right. Seasoning mix, and it's Bombay, and I'm gonna add it. All right, I didn't add any salt or anything yet. I want to cook with lots of seasoning, so I'm gonna put a tablespoon of my blended seasoning. I will leave a link for this. Okay, I'm gonna put it there, and I have my garlic, minced garlic. I'm gonna put another teaspoon. Look at that goodness. All right, and then I'm gonna empty out my package in. I'm gonna use about 3/4 pack. All right, I'm not gonna use the whole pack. All right, guys, I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of this canola and extra virgin oil, maybe about a teaspoon or 2. Let's put 2. That's good. Also gonna put like a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can put curry powder. This is healthy stuff. All right, guys, I'm putting a teaspoon of that with it, and that's it. I'm gonna also put 1 onion, 1 cut onion. You can put a lot of onion in it, guys. You can put up to 2-3 onions. All right, guys, when the rice halfway cooked or almost dried down, not yet, I have some mixed vegetable. I'm gonna add a cup. It's optional, you don't have to do it, but this is my style. You can call this yellow rice too. All right, guys, and then I'm gonna let this simmer down, and I'll come back and dish out some. This is the rice, guys. The rice is spicy, so guys, if you don't like too much spice, don't put all of the pack in. They put like half or less. Oh, but it's so good. All right, guys, I'm gonna serve out a little bit of the rice, full of spice, guys. Ooh. Lots of onions. That is good for me. That's it. Look at the goodness. I'm gonna find some vegetable put against it, and then I'll be right back. This is it. I found 2 slices of tomato and that's it, guys. That's it right there. My barbecue jerk chicken. The rice is spicy. If you don't like spice, cook regular rice. All right, guys, love upon me, and I love upon you.